I'm going to cut these carrots. I've already cleaned them and skinned them. Took the skin off. And of course the onions, right? Okay, we're gonna add some oil to this pan. We're gonna let it heat up while we season our beef. And I have some chopped beef, maybe about a pound, not much. And yes, I rinsed it off. That's why it's not really red. I always rinse my meat. I'm using avocado oil. Okay, so in here I'm going to add this is Sazon everything mix. It's good if you haven't tried it. Try it. Ooh, not like that. I'm about to pour the whole thing in. Okay. And it has salt, so be conscious of that. I have some roasted garlic. And I'm going to add some flour. Not much. You just want to coat your meat. It's going to be used as a thickener to kind of make the gravy. Add a little more. Well, that's more than a little, but you got to add enough. I want it to look like that. Okay. Let this oil get hot. You want to make sure it's hot. And it is. I'm sure you can hear it. Ooh, don't you do that. Let it do its thing. Like I said, we're going to brown it up. I'm just going to put this top on it so that it doesn't make a... See how it's browning up? Beautiful. Here you go. But it has quite a bit of oil. I'm just going to pour some off. Don't go in there. Like that. That's good. That's good. That's fine. There's onions and carrots. Yum. But I also have some garlic over here. I'm not going to add that in right away. We cover it again and let it go for a few minutes, maybe about 3 or 4 minutes, okay? Smells so good in here. So good. Let's add our garlic in. That smells even better. I have some beef consomme. I want the heat to stay high. Let's get that heated up. I'm going to add some beef. It's concentrated stock. And we're going to add some water. And got this going here. Ooh, how good does that look? So I have some water. This is 4 cups. I don't think we're going to use all of it. We'll see. I may. This has lots of flavor. If you've never tried this one, try it. And the chicken is fabulous. Try that. Put this up here. I want to do something pretty easy today. I'm really feeling 100. But we have to eat, right? Yes, we do. Let's add some pepper. I'm still going to add a pinch of salt. Going to get the heat up a bit, and then we're going to add our potatoes. These are golden potatoes, and they don't take nearly as long as the Idaho. Even though I love Idaho, but I like the golden. They don't take nearly as long. We're going to add them in. It's not going to take any time to cook them. And let this thicken up. The potatoes also help thicken the sauce. These potatoes in. Gonna let it come back up to a boil, and then we're gonna turn it down to a low simmer. We're just gonna let it simmer. Okay. Okay, like that. Now we're gonna turn it down to a low simmer, probably about a 2.5 or a 3. We're just gonna let it go for about 40-45 minutes. Okay. It's ready. It is ready. I have a little tiny knife. There it is. You want to test your potato. That's even better. Okay. I'll let you see it though. See that? When I tell you it's delicious, please believe me. A couple more potatoes. Yeah, the onions have really cooked down into the sauce, but that's fine. And they were huge. They were just the right size. I was glad to be able to find those. Let's taste this, okay? This is hot. Hold on. In a second. Oh, the little thin balls I bought from IKEA. They will burn your hands. They get really, really hot. Okay, let me try this right here. Okay. See how thick it got when you coat your beef in flour? That really helps thicken your sauce. Meat is nice and tender. And a potato. My favorite. I love potatoes. Ooh. Forgive me for smacking. Look at that. Dip it in here. That's delicious. It's really good. I can't wait to get back to it. I want to thank you so much for being here. And if you like this video, would you give it a thumbs up? Comment. I would love to hear from you. Share with friends and family. And until next time, I want you to stay safe, stay well, and stay blessed. And remember that God loves you. And so do I. Later.